Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create a snowing or a fire picture using a fire video using Google Flow and also AI. I just typed in make me a prompt for a video of a city being snowed on. You can also do something else, and then I'll do a new project here. And then we're going to do frames to video, and you're going to insert a picture of a city here or of anything. Then I'm just going to enter the prompt. Let me just remove the end frame. I don't know why it's taking so long for it to, okay. And then you're just going to press enter. And it's going to basically generate the video. Okay, I have 40 credits left. And I'll be right back when the video is done generating. And this is what the video looks like. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.